I invite you all to do what you know how to do, which is to get quiet and to get grounded, to bring your attention into the holy instant of right now, this present moment, and just allow yourself to notice if there are any beings or any cultural ideas that you feel a sense of competition or comparison around. And if not, then just sit quietly with the lack of that, because that's glorious. And if so, just lightly note who or what that is. Don't attach any big weight to it, just notice. And just gently and lovingly cut a cord. Cut a cord. See them slip off the altar of your mind and feel an empty spaciousness there. And for just a couple moments in silence, let's clear space on those altars. And sit in that spaciousness, aware of the true essence of ourselves. This is where your light center is. You have a great light within you that is an extension of the creative light, of Creator, of Source. Just feel the warmth of that light at your very core. That light is the embodiment of love that is so deep so all-encompassing, so beyond attachment that it defies words. That is the truth of you. Feel that love directed at yourself, to yourself, and simultaneously reaching out all across creation into the cosmos, into the vast eternity that you also are. This is true power. This is the true you. This is the awesome glory that you always have to shine into and on yourself, to shine into and on every being you interact with. Feel your power. Revel in it. As we bring our consciousness back into the rooms in which we sit, know that this power doesn't go away, ever. It is always there. It is always what we are. And we can wield it with love at all times. Bring this awareness with us as we slowly open our eyes. We say thank you for what we are. And so it is.